Hello everyone. Our this lecture is continuation of body. In the previous lecture we have done with body definition. Now we will do the body implementation. In the previous section we have created enhancement support, we have created body definition and we have created interface. Now we will create body implementation. For body definition, SC18 is the transaction code. For body implementation, SC19 is the transaction code. Now I want to create a implementation, so I will go for create implementation. Now I have to provide the name of the enhancement support which I have created in SC18 transaction code. So I am giving the name of the enhancement support. My name of the enhancement support is ZES underscore test, which I have created in SC18 transaction code. Now I am going for creating the implementation. Now I am going for creating the implementation. Creating implementation. Now suppose my name of the implementation is ZEI underscore test. Short text is enhancement implementation. Enhancement implementation. Now click on this OK button. I am saving this as a local object. Now here I have to give the name of the body implementation and name of the implementing class. Now we will compare this with body definition. In SC18, what is the first thing that you have done? You have created enhancement support. In this you have created enhancement implementation. In SC18 what you have done? You have created body definition. Now in this we are creating body implementation. In SC18 you have created interface. Now we are creating class. So we have created three things in both body definition and in body implementation. In body definition you have created three things. First one is enhancement support, second one body definition, third one interface. In body implementation you have created three things again. Enhancement implementation, then we have body implementation, then we have implementing class. Now we will compare this. In SC18 enhancement support, in SC19 enhancement implementation, in SC18 body definition, in SC19 body implementation, in SC18 we have interface, in SC19 we have class. Now suppose my name of the body implementation is Z body implementation underscore test underscore test. Now my suppose name of the class is ZCL underscore test. Now my name of the body definition is Z body underscore test. I am creating a body implementation for this body definition. Now click on this OK button. Yes. Now I go for this. Now I am clicking on this implementing class. Now this is my class ZCL underscore test. Now this class is already exists. So what we will do? We will give some another name. Suppose my name of the class is ZCL underscore test 1. Yes, I want to create the class local object. This ZCL underscore test is already exists, so I have given the another name, that is ZCL underscore test 1. Now clicking on this. Yes. Now this is my class. Now I will write the logic inside the class. See, this is our class and our interface method change underscore value and our parameter p value is automatically appearing here. Our interface things means interface method or interface parameter are now appearing here. Now suppose I am writing the logic. Suppose p value is equal to x. So what we have done, I am assigning the value x to the parameter p value. Initially our parameter is blank. Now I am assigning the value x to this parameter. Now I am activating the class. Class is always used for writing the logic. Interface is always used for defining the things. Now back, activating the class, back. Now I am activating the enhancement implementation. Now my enhancement implementation is activated. Now I am activating the enhancement implementation. Active object is generated. Now suppose I am displaying that enhancement implementation ZEI underscore test. This is the enhancement implementation which I have created. I am clicking on the change button. This is activated. Now this is activated. Now we have created the enhancement implementation or body implementation. Now we have two transaction code, SC18 for body definition, SC19 for body implementation. In SC19 you have created three things: enhancement support, then we have body definition, interface. In SC19 you have created three things, then enhancement implementation, then body implementation, then class, and in the class you have written the logic. Now next we will continue with the body in the next lecture. Now we will continue with the body in the next lecture.